how's it going? I am out with the family and we are in Rocky Mountain National Park and we're gonna see if I can catch some sort of trout in the river over here. So we're camping out, having a good time. This is our first night and I saw the stream from our campsite and I said, oh, I gotta try that. I fished it before a long time ago. You just got to be careful when you're fishing in the park because you got to make sure your barbs are folded down or you're using a barbless hook. And then you also got to make sure there's a lot of catch and release waters in the park. And then there's some that you can catch and keep, but you just got to make sure you're always checking with the park's website. So yeah, so we're gonna see what we can do, but maybe we'll be able to catch fish, and that'd be pretty fun. Oh, did you see that fish? Shh, watch. He went for it. Watch this. Oh my gosh, did you see that? All right, let's see if we can get another one. Oh, there we go, got him. Woo-hoo-hoo. Whoa, oh, he's a little, I thought he was bigger. Oh my gosh, I got him. No, oh, he is, you're right, he is. That's a little brownie. I got him in the dorsal. Good thing it's barbless. All right, let's get him out. Little brown trout, let's get him back in quick. We did our best to try to catch some fish, but we're just enjoying the location almost as much as the fishing, right? Pretty place to be, even with the smoke. All right, well, good morning. I am doing some family camping in Rocky Mountain National Park. And a friend of mine tipped me off, told me there was a good spot to try to catch some brook trout. So it's a little on the early side, but I'm gonna see what I can do. See if I can't catch a few. I'm fishing dry flies so far. I did a little bit of fishing last night and I don't know if I'm gonna make that a separate video or mix it with this, but that made it that was very interesting because there was a ton of smoke. But yeah, I was using dry flies for that. But given that it's so early in the morning, I'm thinking I'm probably gonna need a dropper so that I can try to get these fish to bite. So we'll see how that goes. But man, what a beautiful area. Hopefully we catch something. Stay tuned. I can't believe it, but there is frost on this grass. Mind you, it is the beginning of August. So that is pretty cool. Interested party. Oh, there we go. Got one. Oh. Ooh. All right, my friend. Whoa, he flopped off. All right, get him back in. All right. Well, we dodged the old skunko. That's good. And then I still see some more in here, so we'll see if we can't pick out a few more. If not, now we know they're biting at least. And we know that they're biting what we got on. So, that is good. As of today, I've officially caught my August fish. So the streak has continued. And I've been trying to catch a fish every month of the year since January. And it's the beginning of August, and I have caught my August trout, which would be a brook trout. So pretty cool that I've been able to keep the streak going. But I'd love to catch one more, but I am just having some issues here and there, and the time crunch is kind of getting to me too. So we'll see if we can't get anything else to take interest, but might not happen. Oh, there we go. Got one on the dry. Woohoo! All right, that's number 2. All right, such a cool little fish. We'll get him back in. All right, well, that was cool. He took the dry fly, and at this spot I was able to sneak up a little bit better, so that was nice. All right, well, it's about time for me to wrap it up. The bugs are certainly hatching now, so I'm leaving at the wrong time, I'm sure. But it's been a great time fishing here, and caught 2 brook trout today, and that's pretty good for me. Got my August fish in the book, so I'm happy about that. And I'm happy just to be fishing in this park. It's a beautiful place, and this is just a taste of what it has to offer. There's a lot of lakes, a lot of streams you can fish. Just be sure to make sure you're up to date on all your regulations if you do. So I appreciate you stopping by. If you can, hit that like button. If you'd like to, leave a comment below. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And until next time, I will catch you later. Oh, I got one, Adeline. I got one. Oh boy. Oh, we got him. We got him, sweetie. All right, let's go see what we got. Oh, it's a little brown trout. Look at that, he comes right off. Look at that. We caught one. We caught one! Woohoo! He's pretty, isn't he? Oh yeah, here we go. We'll get him. Oh, there he goes. All right. We did it. High five. We caught a fish. Yeah. All right. I couldn't get my line in. Oh my goodness, I had so much line out. I had to back up. And I didn't want to lose him because I knew I didn't have a barb. So that was crazy, but we got our fish. Awesome.